Compared to the last year's Asus Zephyrus G14, the Asus Zephyrus G15 has got a slightly more expansive W Quad HD display, a larger touchpad area, better cooling technology, a 90 watt battery and the latest AMD plus Nvidia chip combination. So the specs on the paper are very promising. Before getting into review, let me show you the specification of this laptop. It comes with a 15.6-inch Quad HD display powered by AMD Ryzen 9 5000 series processor, coupled with up to 32GB of RAM, 1TB PCIe X4 M.2 NVMe SSD storage, Nvidia RTX 3060 graphics, and 90 watt-hour battery, all for a price of around $2,500 or around 1,50,000 Indian rupees. So let's jump into the review and see whether this laptop is worth to buy. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Design. I know a lot of gamers prefer fancy looking laptops with the unique designs, powerful hardware and unusual elements on the lid. The Asus ROG Zephyrus doesn't feature any of that, but it has a very simple and plain white lid with some amazing design that is even eye-catchy. The laptop comes in two color options and the white color variant which I got for the review is delight to watch. It's very often that I prefer white color on anything and that speaks volume for what Asus has achieved here with the G15. It is not the slimmest or the lightest laptop but maintains a decent profile for gaming machine. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G15 is just 19.9mm slim and weighs around 1.9 kg. This gives it a huge advantage over the other gaming laptops, and the body is a mix of magnesium and aluminium and the chassis feel quite solid. The laptop carries Asus ErgoLift design which lifts the body of the machine slightly when the lid is open. Display. What impressed me more about this laptop is its brilliant display, the Quad HD display. Asus has used a 15.6-inch 2K display with a 165Hz refresh rate support. It also covers 98.4% of DCI-P3 and 146.6% of the sRGB color space. You can get gaming laptops with a better refresh rate in the market even from Asus, however, it's the 1440p screen that makes the difference here. It is a lot sharper than the 1080p panels and the difference is even more noticeable due to the large screen size. Not only you can play your AAA titles here, you can even watch movies or OTT web series on this. Performance. The unit I am reviewing is powered by AMD Ryzen 9 5000 series processor and the Nvidia GeForce RTX 3060 GPU. The Ryzen 9 5000 series is one of the most powerful CPUs you get with the 8 cores, 16 threads and 16 MB L3 cache. The additional cores make gaming seamless and also come into effect while multitasking, and during that there are no lags. The powerful GPU used here makes the Zephyrus G15 a gaming beast. It is also the thermal system that make a huge difference in getting that performance. Asus has used a liquid metal thermal interface and a redesigned heat pipe and a fan system that is faster and quieter than previous Asus laptops. Audio performance. Audio performance is where Asus can do better. Asus claims to have 6 drivers in the laptop, 2 tweeters and 4 woofers, and the audio quality is better than the other Asus laptop that I have reviewed recently. It definitely lacks a punch and you will end up using a headphone or a speaker while playing the game. So for sample, here I am playing no copyright music audio here, so you can listen to the sound and judge the quality. Keyboard and trackpad. Asus has done a great job with the keyboard and the trackpad. Most keys are big and well spaced. They have a good feedback. Asus has also equipped the machine with the 4 dedicated hotkeys at the top. These include volume up and down buttons and a button to turn off the microphone and a button to directly open the armory crate. And I also liked how Asus has used a huge trackpad which gives you enough space to roam around and is quite responsive as well. Coming to the connectivity options, Asus Zephyrus G15 has got 2 USB Type-A ports, two USB Type-C ports, an RJ45 port, an audio jack, an HDMI 2.0 port, and a Kensington lock slot. Battery life. A gaming laptop with a great battery life seems like a fantasy, but this machine manages to do a decent job. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G15 is packed with a huge 90 Wh battery which charges via barrel charger. Asus claims that the laptop can deliver around 14 hours of playback, and in my usage I had not used it extensively, but I can easily tell you that it will give you around 9 to 10 hours of battery life on average usage, and on heavy gaming or heavy usage it may give you around 7 to 8 hours of battery life easily. To conclude with, I will suggest this laptop if you have a budget of around 1,50,000 and you need a powerful gaming laptop, and in the international market, if you are going to buy it from America or European countries, if you have a budget of around $2,200 and above, you should consider this laptop. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. So this is my review of Asus Zephyrus G15. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.